Very bouncy, isn't it?
Not toward each other. Okay, run the same way. Run the same way. Good job, girls. Good job. Watch the springs. Don't touch the springs.
Stay in the middle.
Okay, let's see the jumping. Oh, excellent.
One.
Oh, good job. Must be all that good gymnastics training. Yeah, land on your bottom. Bounce your bottom on it.
And bounce up.
Go boop with your bottom.
You did it. You did it. Oh, you almost did it.
Oh, good job, Rosie. Boom. Back up on your feet, Reed.
Almost.
You can't.
That's gonna be good, girls, because I'm sure that's a nice break. Marie, don't kick your sister in.
Ow!